Hey there, friends! I'm Ollie, and today we're in outer space, and we're going to learn all about the solar system. The solar system consists of planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets, all of which revolve around a central star, our Sun. The Sun is the only star in our solar system, and the primary source of energy for Earth. The Sun is 864,400 miles across. That's about 109 times bigger than Earth. It is so large that about 1.3 million planet Earths can fit inside of it. The Sun is also very hot. The temperature at the center, or core, of the Sun reaches around 15 million degrees Celsius, while the surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star and is believed to have formed about 4.6 billion years ago. There are 8 major planets that orbit the Sun. These are divided into 2 categories: the 4 terrestrial planets of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the 4 gas giants of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, at 36 million miles, and is also the smallest planet, being slightly larger than Earth's moon. It takes only 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, making it the fastest orbiting planet. Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations, with daytime temperatures reaching 430 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures can plunge to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, at 67 million miles, and is often referred to as Earth's sister planet because of their similar size and composition. However, Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere, trapping in the Sun's heat. This greenhouse effect results in Venus being the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 475 degrees Celsius. Our planet Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, at 93 million miles, and is the only known planet to support life. It has a unique combination of factors that make it just right for us and other life forms to live on the planet. It's just the right distance from the Sun so that it's not too hot or too cold, and it has just the right amount of atmosphere, water, and other geological activities to make the planet habitable. Scientists and astronomers call this the Goldilocks principle, after Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Earth is the closest planet to the Sun to have a moon, which is about a quarter of the size of Earth. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, at 142 million miles, and has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars is about half the size of the Earth, and is often referred to as the red planet, because of the reddish appearance of its rocky surface. Mars takes 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, which is nearly twice the length of an Earth year. The red planet is about half the size of Earth, and is home to the largest volcano and canyon in the solar system. Scientists and astronomers have found strong evidence of there being liquid water on Mars in the past, which could suggest that there was once life living on the planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and the 5th planet from the Sun, at 484 million miles. Jupiter is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside of it, with room to spare, and is more than 11 times bigger than Earth. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface and is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. It takes nearly 12 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, which is a massive persistent storm that is larger than Earth, measuring about 10,000 miles across. Jupiter has 92 confirmed moons, including Ganymede, which is the largest moon in the solar system and is even larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, at 887 million miles, and is 9 times bigger than Earth, making it the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. This large gas giant is famous for its spectacular and complex ring system. The rings are primarily made of water, ice, rock, and dust, with particles ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to objects as large as mountains. Saturn's rings span 175,000 miles from edge to edge, but they are incredibly thin, only about 10 meters thick in some places. A day on Saturn lasts about 10.7 hours, but it takes 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Saturn has the most moons of any planet in the solar system, with 145 known moons, Titan being its largest moon, and the second largest in the solar system, which is still bigger than the planet Mercury. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun at 1.78 billion miles, and is one of the most unusual and fascinating worlds in the solar system. Known for its tilted axis and faint rings, it is about 4 times the size of Earth. Uranus is an ice giant, composed mostly of icy materials like water, ammonia, and methane, which sets it apart from the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. One of the most distinctive features of Uranus is its extreme axial tilt of about 98 degrees. This means that Uranus essentially rolls on its side as it orbits the Sun, which takes 84 Earth years. Uranus has 27 known moons, most of which are small and irregularly shaped. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun at 2.8 billion miles. It is about 4 times the size of Earth, but 1 year on Neptune is equivalent to 165 Earth years. Neptune is an ice giant, like Uranus, and is renowned for its striking blue color. Neptune is one of the coldest planets, with temperatures dropping as low as -214 degrees Celsius. And its extreme weather conditions can produce storms with wind speeds up to 1,500 miles per hour. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest and most intriguing being Triton, which moves in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. As well as the 8 planets, the solar system also contains the Asteroid Belt, which is a vast region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The Asteroid Belt is a large collection of rocky and metallic objects, known as asteroids. These objects range in size from tiny pebbles to large bodies hundreds of miles across. The largest object in the asteroid belt is Ceres, which is the only dwarf planet found in the belt. The most famous dwarf planet is Pluto, which can be found in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of space located beyond the orbit of Neptune. The Kuiper Belt is similar to the asteroid belt, but it is much larger and contains different types of objects. It is made up from thousands of small, icy bodies, dwarf planets, and comets. Comets are small, icy bodies that originate from the outer reaches of the solar system and become spectacular, glowing objects with long tails when they come close to the Sun. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet, which has a short period orbit of about 76 years. And that is everything you need to know about the solar system. With me, Ollie. Hey, can you spell my name with me? O-L-L-I-E, Ollie. Awesome job. Don't forget, if you want to learn about other things, be sure to like and subscribe below. See you next time on Ollie Learns. Bye.
Let's have fun.